Which VPS is reliable and stable? When selecting a VPS hosting provider, reliability and stability are crucial. They ensure your server maintains consistent uptime, fast performance, and minimal downtime. Here's a look at 10 VPS providers known for their dependable services. A2 Hosting is renowned for its fast turbo servers, offering speeds up to 20 times faster. They provide both managed and unmanaged VPS options, though turbo plans come at a higher price. HostVDS offers affordable and scalable VPS solutions with SSD storage, enhancing performance. Ideal for small to medium businesses, they provide full root access, though advanced features may be limited. Bluehost is popular for its user-friendly interface, making it a top choice for beginners. It provides reliable performance, but it may lack features for advanced users or large-scale businesses. InMotion Hosting is well regarded for reliable uptime and excellent customer support. It offers fully managed VPS options, making it a strong choice for businesses, although it has higher pricing. Vultr provides flexible cloud VPS hosting with a global network of data centers. Known for its scalability and competitive pricing, it requires some technical expertise for setup. Jaguar PC has been providing hosting solutions since 1998, focusing on performance and support. It offers both Linux and Windows VPS hosting, though customization options can be limited. RackNerd is a budget-friendly provider known for fast performance with SSD storage. While offering competitive pricing, it has fewer global server locations compared to other providers. Casbay offers high-performance VPS with an uptime guarantee of 99.99%. Primarily serving the Asian market, it boasts SSD storage, though its global presence is limited. HostWinds provides fully managed VPS hosting with excellent 24/7 customer support. Known for solid performance, its managed plans are pricier, with limited global data centers. Bandwagon Host is a budget provider offering low-cost VPS solutions. It's suitable for small projects, providing decent performance for the price, but its customer support can be slow. Ultimately, choosing a VPS depends on your needs and budget. For high performance, consider Casbay, Vultr, or InMotion Hosting. For cost-effective solutions, explore RackNerd or HostVDS. For more VPS information, please visit the Niche College website, https://by3.org. You can also click the link below the video to get the best VPS recommendation. Thank you for watching.